Hi, this is Anthony. Welcome to my show, where I look at various ways to increase your income, as well as investing in the stock market. Remember, this is not financial or investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor, just somebody on YouTube providing entertainment. But before we start, could I get you to please click the subscribe button below? It would really help me out on building a following on YouTube. Thanks. Well, let's jump into it. If you were watching the market yesterday, the first trading day of 2022, you were in for quite a ride. In my portfolio, Amazon and Tesla were two of the biggest winners. Over the past year or so, Amazon has bounced around within its trading range of a couple $100. But I think for now, that gives the prudent long-term investor the opportunity to buy on dips. The stock is not only my largest holding, but also one of the best as far as the rate of return. It's amazing that in a little less than 25 years, they've gone from an online bookseller to being worth nearly $2 trillion in market capitalization. And while people instinctively think of them as being an online retailer, they probably make most of their money from web services now. Yesterday, Tesla was up $143 a share. Early in the day's trading session, when it had popped and a lot of other stocks were up and then started going down, and all of a sudden many issues were in the red, I was afraid that Tesla was going to start dropping from the $90 or so that it was up. I almost sold to lock in some gains, intending to buy back in at a lower level, but I didn't. That was good because it then went up another $50 subsequent to that time. Of course, today it could go down as people take short-term profits, but I think that for the long term, Tesla will be a good investment. It certainly has been in the last year that I've owned it. That leads me to Tesla's rivals, the three Chinese electric vehicle companies, NIO, Xpeng, and Li Auto. Yesterday I made a video about them, in particular Xpeng. For specific details, I encourage you to watch that video. It's a longer one, but quite simply right now, all of those companies lose money, and they are in competition with Tesla, which has a factory in China, and builds cars that are sold in China as well as for export. Again, I have no doubt that they will turn a profit in the future, but my main concern about them as far as American investors are concerned is there still is a great amount of uncertainty that hangs over them as to what the Chinese government may do in the future about having companies that they deem to be strategic listed on foreign exchanges. We saw what they did with Didi's aborted listing in the US recently. My argument is simply, why buy the Chinese Tesla when you can buy Tesla? There's two more stocks that I want to briefly mention while keeping today's episode short. One is IDEX Laboratories, ticker symbol IDXX. It's been dropping the last few days, but it's been a tremendous long-term winner for me. It's in the field of veterinary science, which may sound a little boring, but sometimes the boring stocks are the ones that chug along and make you the money in the long run. And finally, the last one for today is Rush Street Interactive, ticker symbol RSI. One that I bought last year on pure speculation and which turned out to be a winner. It started dropping a little bit today, so I decided to sell my whole position and take a healthy profit. The company still seems to be losing money, though some of the public financials are a bit contradictory, and seems to be a bit player on the margins of legal online gambling. I'm going to keep an eye on it, and if their financials start to improve, I might get back in at some point in the future. Okay, that's all for today. Again, if you like this type of content and want to see more, it would really help me if you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, please view my other videos, and if you like them, click the like button. It also helps out if you leave a comment in the comment section for each one. I'm on Instagram at Anthony RR Mills. You can follow me there. Thank you.